Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Friday, August 22nd, 2025. Today we're covering market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes showed strong momentum today. The Nasdaq 100 and the Nasdaq Composite both rose sharply, gaining 356 and 396 points respectively. The communication services sector and the technology sector also advanced, demonstrating very strong positive trends. Market breadth was notably positive today. The Nasdaq Composite showed impressive strength with over 2,600 advancing stocks versus just 486 declining. The technology sector saw advances outnumber declines by more than 8-1. Looking at returns, the healthcare sector leads weekly gains at 1.4%. The communication services sector shows the strongest year-to-date performance with a 16.4% return, while the technology sector follows at 13.6%. Among top tech performers, Enphase Energy surged 10.4% with strong upward volatility. Block and On Semiconductor gained 6.7% and 6.2% respectively. Teradyne broke out upward after 3 flat days. Looking at returns, Enphase Energy leads weekly gains at 9.6%, but remains down 44% year-to-date. Intel shows impressive month-to-date returns of 25%, while maintaining a strong positive trend. Among declining stocks, Intuit fell 5%, marking its 4th consecutive down day. Workday dropped 2.7% as it broke down from sideways movement. VeriSign and Tyler Technologies also closed lower. In terms of returns, Intuit has declined 7.5% this week and 15.6% month-to-date. Despite recent weakness, KLA maintains a strong 38% year-to-date gain. Workday continues its downward trend, now off 14% for the year. Technology ETFs showed strong momentum today. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both rose more than 1.5%. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF gained 2.1%. The leveraged bullish QQQ surged 4.4%, while its counterpart, the bearish QQQ, fell 4.5%. All funds continue to display very strong positive trends. Looking at returns, despite today's gains, most tech ETFs are showing negative week-to-date performance. The bullish QQQ has experienced the largest swing, down 3.1% for the week. Year-to-date, the Semiconductor ETF leads with a 21.3% return, while the bearish QQQ has declined 43%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Amazon and Alphabet led gains, both up over 3%. Meta Platforms rose 2.1%. Microsoft and Apple posted modest gains with strong positive trends. Year-to-date returns show mixed performance. Meta Platforms leads with a 29% gain, followed by Microsoft at 20%. Alphabet and Amazon are up modestly, while Apple is down 9%. Semiconductor stocks posted strong gains today. ACM Research surged 19% with 3 straight-up days. AXT jumped nearly 14%. Nanolabs, Amtech Systems, and Tower Semiconductor all gained around 10%. Year-to-date returns in semiconductors show ACM Research leading with a 102% gain. AXT and Tower Semiconductor are up 30% and 6% respectively. Nanolabs has declined 44% despite today's gains. Cloud computing stocks rallied today. Rackspace Technology and Zoom Video Communications led gains, up 13.6% and 12.7% respectively. Twilio, EPAM Systems, and DigitalOcean each rose about 5%. Year-to-date performance in cloud stocks remains mixed. Rackspace has declined 40%, while Zoom is barely positive. EPAM Systems shows weakness, down 25%. DigitalOcean has dropped 7%. In AI and robotics, Ambarella jumped 8.9% with strong momentum. Vicarious Surgical and Teradyne gained over 5%. Aptiv reached a one-year high, while Symbotic added 5.3%. Year-to-date returns in AI show Symbotic leading with a 95% gain. Aptiv is up nearly 30%. Vicarious Surgical has struggled, down 49%. Teradyne and Ambarella show modest declines. Leading thematic ETFs in AI and robotics showed strong gains today. Robotics and AI and automation bull TWACs surged 5.6%, while automation hit a new all-time high, climbing 2.9%. AI and robotics and automation both gained 2.8%. Year-to-date returns show automation leading with a 17.3% gain, followed by robotics and automation at 13.9%. AI and robotics has gained 5.8%, while Rivian shows a slight decline of 1.6%. Electric vehicle stocks surged today, led by NIO with a remarkable 14.4% gain. Rivian broke out of its sideways pattern, jumping 8%. Tesla advanced 6.2%, while XPeng showed strong upward momentum, gaining 4.3%. Year-to-date performance shows XPeng leading with an impressive 101% gain, while NIO has risen 45.4%. BYD is up 31%, though Tesla has declined 15.8% over the same period. Quantum computing stocks showed strength today, with Archer Materials rising 11.1%. Quantum computing gained 7.7%, while IonQ advanced 7%. D-Wave Quantum added 4.9% despite recent volatility. Looking at year-to-date returns, D-Wave Quantum leads with an 85% gain. Archer Materials shows a 43% decline, while IonQ and quantum computing are down about 4.7% and 4.3% respectively. Solar stocks surged today with Solar Edge Technologies reaching a one-year high, up 13.5%. Shoals Technologies gained 12.5%, while VivoPower rose 11%. Enphase showed strong volatility, climbing 10.4%. Year-to-date performance shows VivoPower leading with a 354.9% gain, followed by SolarEdge at 152.2%. Sunrun has gained 75.1%, while Enphase has declined 44.4%. Tech thematic ETFs showed impressive gains today. SPDR S&P Semiconductor ETF led the group, climbing 4.2% to 286.3, showing a very strong upward trend. RK Innovation ETF and RK FinTech Innovation ETF both demonstrated robust momentum, gaining 4% and 3.9% respectively. Looking at year-to-date performance, ARK FinTech Innovation ETF stands out with a remarkable 46.9% return. ARK Innovation follows with a 34.8% gain. Global X Cloud Computing ETF has faced headwinds, down 6% for the year despite today's positive movement.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.